is the commissary. All food trucks in the city of Chicago. License has to park here at the commissary. Storage area. Everybody has one. Some has two. We are inside the commissary. Everybody, like I said, everybody has the storage area with the name, the information, the business. You got Cheesy's, the Pizza Through the American Glory, Harold's Chicken, Sausage Fest, Big Wings. That's 87th and Dan Ryan Harold's. You know, they got two trucks. They don't park here. Fast Shallow, Yum Dum, Aztec Days, Cupcake Girl, Happy Lobster, some more jerk stuff. When we go through here, we're on the other side of the commissary. We got our jerk brothers. What a jerk, Thomas, just pulling in from a long day of work.
What up, what up?
How was the day today, Tom?
Tired, hot as fuck.
Man. So this is a YouTube channel, man. We do like a little behind the scenes footage of everything that go on with the food truck world, man. They don't
Everything?
everything. They don't know what we go through, man. They don't know what we go through.
Be on my truck.